Hello there, everybody. So, first of all, thank you so much to everybody that's just recently followed. I'm enormously grateful. One of the things about my page is that you just never know when you're suddenly going to get an influx of followers. And so, like, for me, what I found amazing is that I've been stuck at like 942,000 for like, I don't know, like maybe 2 years, like literally 2 years. And suddenly one of my videos has gone live, gone viral. And suddenly, I'm getting lots of new followers. So for those of you that are new to my page, thank you so much for coming across. And thank you so much for the follow. So I appreciate you. Thank you very much. I've been trying to get to 1 million followers for like 2 years, but it's not happening, So some things that I do, if you don't know, is I teach actors. You can type into the Google Sarah Valentine and you find, or you go to the link in my bio. I teach accents to many people from around the world. Basically, if you're wanting to learn an accent and you're an actor and you are looking for somebody to help train you in an accent, I'm your girl. So you can just literally click the link in my bio. I have some accent courses, some online accent courses. I was trying to decide which accent I was going for. I thought to myself, do I go Southern or do I go Standard American? I just don't know. So I decided to go Southern. I kind of had a slip up there. But like I'm saying, like when you're doing this, it's hard because your brain is kind of going, what accent am I doing? And how am I going to carry on talking? Anyways, I have online courses. There's a whole bunch of DIY courses available. The link is in my bio for that. And so at the end of the day, I just want to say that I really appreciate you. I think it's so nice that you've come over to my page. And I really do hope that you enjoy it. Please do repost my videos. Please do drop me a follow. And if you want to watch me live, I have another page for that. So at Accent Queen Sarah Valentine. No, at Accent Queen Sarah V. I will tag myself so that you can come across to watch me live. All right. I hope that you have enjoyed my little video, and I hope to catch you very soon. Take care.